Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Well, I mean, she took one right there, but you know, that's just a graze. You know, she'll live. That went right through that guy's throat. You know. Oh, this one. You know, that's debatable. Does that count as a Austin shot or not? I don't know. I think she would have lived. I think she would have lived. That's what I think. This is the Saratoga. Yes, this is another Scorpion derivative. So the best part about this gun is this did not exist in reality until Broken Bullets whipped up that 3D model of this frame. Like, it only existed in the game, and now it exists in my hands and I can shoot people with it. No, don't cut that out. Yeah, there's a bunch of nerds making like toy replicas of this on YouTube, which looks a little more authentic, but like, I can actually shoot things with mine. So yeah, mine's cooler. So there was a authentic charging handle that looked just like the game, but I hate it and I broke it. So yeah, shout out to Broken Bullets for designing this guy. And then Laugh Dynamics for doing this grip, edge runner grip, very cyberpunk, and this waffle mag, which is amazing. It has a way bigger bolt catch on it. Like, it's not just a little nub, it's like huge. It sticks out of the mag in like a better position. It's great. And it's got the waffle texture, it feels awesome. It didn't play nice with this Cyberpunk authentic lower, so I had to fucking go at it with a file. But fits in these just fine. I mean, it works in that one too, but it's pretty snug. So you can actually see the bolt in there. You can actually see that thing cycling all the way, which probably isn't ideal when you're out here in the woods, but you know, this was made for killing Borg in Night City, so I think it'll be fine in that situation. Yeah, we're having some ejection issues. This is actually a normal Scorpion lower. I bought one off Gunbroker by itself. It is insanely hard to find Scorpion parts without buying whole Scorpion, but I found one. And that ended up solving half my ejection issues. There's a Cyberpunk accurate lower I have here, which looks way more like it does in the game. But I was getting all this failure to eject issues. And then I eventually got this guy, and I took this guy out, and the fucking thing holding the bolt release in place fucking broke. On Scorpions, it's like the opposite of an AR. Like, the top part has a serialized number on it, and the bottom part you can just have shipped directly to your house. So this is still technically a ghost gun, or whatever. I don't think it matters. Okay, so I printed the Are We Cool Yet lower and the Fenrir Saratoga version as well, which is pretty similar. So both of those had issues with the trigger colliding with the ejector, which I solved by filing it down so it just doesn't even come in contact. But then I got this normal Scorpion lower, which the trigger doesn't even go that far at all, which I don't understand at all. This blew my mind. I thought it'd be the same. There's like a little spot behind the ejector which stops the hammer altogether. So this looks like way different than I expected it to. I thought it'd be identical. So I don't get it, there's like it's a miracle the last Scorpion worked as well as it did, because it had the same trigger and ejector or whatever. Also, there's a metal cage. There's like a metal housing around the fire control group on the normal Scorpion, which I didn't even know that was a thing. I was very glad I got this, because now I can actually see how the normal one is supposed to be operating or whatever. It's weird. Also, it has the pin that you can pop out with your finger. You don't need a friggin' pin punch to get out and break it like you do on the printed ones. I did this shitty paint job myself, which actually makes it look more like the shitty paint job from the game. So this project's in beta and kind of got forgotten about, and the designer is moving on to make ump variants of the Saratoga. My entire body is burned. I got sunburns all over my body, especially my shoulders. So every time I do the sling trick, I'm in constant pain. Oh, the sunburn. Ah!